Want to create a signature that looks stylish and professional? Start by choosing a base, either your full name or just your initials. Keep it simple but unique. Practice writing your name in cursive, then add your personal touch with stylish loops, flourishes, or a unique underline. Try to keep it consistent in size and slant, and always remember, less is more. Use a fine-tip pen and practice on paper until it feels natural. Once you're happy with the design, repeat it several times to build muscle memory. A professional signature isn't just about looks, it reflects your identity, so make sure it feels true to you. Follow me for more signature tips and styles.